Hello, this is Mike here at Sound Investment, Columbus, Ohio. Today we're going to bring you a little job we did on a 2025 Buick Envista. Cute little platform that GM has here. We're seeing a lot of these Buicks and they don't sound very good. So pretty easy upgrades for us to take care of for you. Four corners of this car, each door has a 6.5. We put the Focal Auditor 6.5s in. We did a little bit of sound dampening material in the doors so that we could get the sound to be a little bit more rich and full. So that's nothing really to see on the inside of the car. In the trunk of this car, this gentleman came to us with his own amplifiers, his own subwoofers. So what we did was we removed the spare tire in this car. And I've got this panel in here pretty tight. Kind of the way I want it. So underneath the original spare tire carrier, we have the location for the amplifiers. I built the subwoofer enclosure down in the spare tire well. This panel on the tap actually directs all of the energy from the subwoofers through the grill, which we made in that panel. He's using a couple of Kenwood amplifiers, a 4-channel for mids and highs, an audio control LC7i that handles our line level conversion from the factory system. We also have another Kenwood amplifier to power his Rockford Fosgate subs. This sounds amazing. He didn't lose any storage space whatsoever, other than the factory spare tire is no longer with us. This is his wife's car, and she wasn't going to change the tire on the side of the road anyways. He had a secondary battery, so we went ahead and installed it. This system sounds really amazing. Super large amount of bass without losing any space in the car. So if you've got a project that you would like us to take care of, dream it up, come see me, talk to me. We'll figure out a way to make it work. Thank you. Bye.